Alright guys, welcome to my next C# tutorial, and in this tutorial, or in this series episode, we want to look at overloading methods. So first we will create our method, private, static, we use void as return type, void, and now we will use, we will use end, and we will call it add again, and we have int var1 and int var2. Okay, we'll make our basic variables. Oh no, we will not. We can also do that live. So we make int res equals add. Now we say 5, and we will console.writeLine res. Oh, need to return var1 plus var2. Okay, started, we get 10. Yeah, now we will look at overloading this method. As you can see here in the console.writeLine method, you will see we have many types we can use in console.writeLine, and that's are all overloads. So this method is overloaded 19 times. If we look at the console class and we look at our writeLine method, you can see that here. By the way, if you want to know how do I jump to this little window here, I'll click on the method, or you don't need to click. I'll put my cursor over the method and I press F12. Oh, okay, I'll need to click it. I click on it and press F12, and then it will show me this. Yeah, as you can see, the writeLine method is overloaded 19 times, and yeah, I'll show you how to do that. Basically, we will create another method called public static int, and we will call that add again. And now the difference between these two methods is, as you can see, this add does not have parameters and this method does have parameters. So if we use int var1 and var2, by the way, parameters are always split with a comma, you can see this method wouldn't make sense because they are the same. But if we add int var3, and we will return var1 plus var2 plus var3, and as you can see now, there is, if I hover over with my cursor over our method, you can see +1 overloads. And if we call add, you can see we can now choose between our int var1 var2 or int var1 var2 var3. So if we use 4 plus 4 plus 4, oh wait, that was shit I made now. 4 comma 4 comma 4. Oh, oops, forgot the semicolon at the end. And you'll see we get 12. So now we are calling, we will call this method here with our 3 parameters, and here we are and if we use only 2 parameters, we will call this method with 2 parameters. So that's basic method overloading, but yeah, that's basic method overloading. Yeah, in the next tutorial we will look at classes, but first I wanna show you something that or I'll show you how to return values that are not an integer or a double or something. In our in my case, we will return now a what's a good class? Give me a second. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. And yeah, in our case, we will return a datetime. So basically, a datetime is just the current time from our computer. Yeah, we'll call this method get current time. We will not have any parameters in our for our method. I will return datetime dot now. I will write get current time dot toString. So as you can see, get current time is returning a datetime, so we can access all the properties or methods in the datetime method. So yeah, we'll print out the year. So if you see, get 2014. Yeah, this method doesn't do many sense because we can also use datetime.now.year. We'll get the same. It was just an example. So yeah, just wanna show that. We can also use bool UTC. We will say if UTC. If we have a boolean here, we don't need equals true or something like that. True. If UTC equals true is the same like if UTC, because like I said, an if statement only accepts booleans, and UTC is already a boolean, so yeah. We'll return datetime dot UTC now, and yeah, we don't need an else in our case because if you remember, like I said, UTC is or no, not UTC. Sorry guys. The return word leaves the function. So if UTC, we will return this function. We'll only execute this part. If not UTC, we'll do this part. So yeah, if you say console.writeLine get current time and bool UTC, come on, true, and now we print out toString. We will see our current time. Yeah, it's a bit different. So yeah, that's the end from our method overloading stuff. We can add a little addition called optional parameters. It's if we set that value already to true, we don't need that. As you can see, it will return the UTC value, but we can also override that optional parameter. Oops. Okay, so yeah, just wanna add that. Oh, and also you can use the optional parameters at the beginning or in the middle from your program. Optional parameters are only at the end from your method. So that's just a little thing. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you have, a rating would be much appreciated. And yeah, in the next episode we will write a basic calculator, and then we will look at classes. So yeah, see you in the next episode, guys.